How are expected assists, XA, calculated in soccer? Imagine being able to see how likely a pass is to turn into a goal before it even happens. That's what expected assists, or XA, aims to do in soccer. It's a way to measure how good a player is at creating scoring chances, even if those chances aren't finished. Instead of just counting assists, XA looks at the quality of the passes made. It gives credit to players for making smart, well-placed passes that could lead to goals. To figure out XA, analysts use complex statistical models, mainly logistic regression. These models are trained on huge amounts of past pass data and their outcomes. They analyze each pass to see what makes it more or less likely to become a goal assist. Several key factors are considered. First is the type of pass, like a cross, a through ball, or a simple sideways pass. Different types have different chances of leading to a goal. Next is where the pass happens on the field. A pass from near the goal has a higher chance of becoming an assist than one from midfield. The distance and angle of the pass are also important. A well-weighted through ball into the penalty area with a good shooting angle will score higher in XA than a long, sideways pass. The model also looks at the pattern of play, like whether the pass was made during open play or set-piece situations like corners or free kicks. Context matters too. If a player makes a pass under heavy defensive pressure or to a teammate who is in a good scoring position, that increases the pass's XA value. Sometimes, even the body part used to make the pass or the shot's final location is included in the analysis. Once all these factors are combined, the model assigns a probability between 0 and 1 to each pass. This number shows how likely that pass is to lead to a goal assist. For example, a perfectly weighted through ball into the penalty area with a clear shooting angle might have an XA of 0.85, meaning an 85% chance of becoming an assist. A simple sideways pass from goal might only have an XA of 0.02. What makes XA so useful is that it doesn't depend on whether the shot was scored or even taken. It values the chance created, not the final outcome. This helps coaches and analysts see which players are good at creating dangerous opportunities, even if their teammates don't always score. It also helps differentiate players who make many low-quality chances from those who consistently produce high-quality ones. In real life, XA is used to evaluate offensive performance beyond goals and assists. It highlights players who influence the game by creating scoring chances that might not always show up in traditional stats. It can guide tactical decisions and help teams find players who are good at creating opportunities. So, in simple terms, expected assists are calculated by applying advanced models to detailed pass data. These models consider the type, location, context, and other factors of each pass to estimate how likely it is to lead to a goal. This makes XA a powerful tool for understanding how creative a player really is on the field.